I had Maddie मेरे बाल रहा.
Okay,
So we
okay.
are live.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Greetings of the hour to all our esteemed audience and our revered members of Walks of Life. I am Bandhanpreet Mahajan, founder of Walks of Life, communication and life skills coach, and a youth skill mentor. It gives me immense pleasure to share with you all that today, with all your good wishes, blessings, and exuberant participation, Walks of Life is a strong and vibrant family and community of 1,000+ members. The
Wow.
group with core focus on leadership, learning, and life skills was envisioned to serve as a virtual platform wherein experts and learners from different walks of life congregate to share their experiences, their viewpoints, their learnings, their expertise for societal edification and empowerment. Before we go ahead to introduce our distinguished guests for the evening, let me also tell you that all our shows are co-powered by Genius Editorial, a coaching cum training institute that runs both online and offline modules for communication skills, life skills, and youth skill mentoring. GE envisions empowering of masses and transforming of lives as its mission. Today is a grand day for all of us as we launch season 2 of our panel discussion series entitled By the Way. To give this
Congrats.
season a great start, we had to come up with something different. We had to come up with something unique and something interesting for episode 1. So we bring to you our show for the day, and it's called Impress and Inspire Through Image. We are indeed blessed to have with us some top notch celebrity consultants, image consultants, soft skills trainers, grooming and etiquette coaches, each a celebrity in their own right today with us on this prestigious platform. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce each of these celestial personalities. So here we go.
Thank
Our
you.
first panelist for the
Thank you.
evening, our first panelist for the evening is Bhavdeep Kohli. She is the founder of Kohli Finishing School, the first of its kind in Moga, a unique place for individuals of all age groups to help transform and make their dreams come true while climbing the ladder of success. She has been consistently helping, guiding, mentoring, grooming, and coaching executives, business people, entrepreneurs, government officers, students, ladies, and people from all age groups for searching their unique self identity to stand out in the crowd and create a niche for themselves in their professional and personal sphere. She is a master of interpersonal skills, a born orator, retail management and corporate trainer, a faculty development coach, transformational coach, finishing guru who provides a complete 360-degree inner and outer transformation, making you stylish, visible, happy, progressive to get noticed. She is also a personal shopper, personal stylist, grooming and etiquette coach who works on the power and art of creating the first powerful and impactful impression. She is internationally certified as an image consultant from Image Management Council of US in image, style, and wardrobe consulting, a certified soft skills trainer from Image Consulting Business Institute, certified trainer, certified train the trainer accredited by NABET, along with several other certifications to her credit. Now, as far as her list of clients is concerned, again, this list of clients is very long and impressive and includes Punjab and Sindh Bank, Fab India, Indian Institute of Chartered Accountants, Guru Nanak Dev University, CT University, Shahpur Campus, Golden Time Publishers, Image Management Professional Associations, IMPA, to name just a few. It is indeed an honor and privilege, Bhabdeep, to have you with us this evening. Thank you for accepting the invite.
Thank you so much, Vandana. Thank you so much. It's my privilege to be here, to be a part of this event. Thank you so much.
Next, we have with us Seema Lahiri. She is the founder director at Seema Consultancy, a motivational speaker, storyteller, counselor, and an image consultant and corporate trainer. She has a natural flair to interact with people from different walks of life, and her passion for learning, sharing, and giving back to society keeps her motivated in the journey of life. Seema has over 20 years of extensive experience working with professionals at various hierarchical levels with some of India's leading corporate houses. She is a certified NLP and emotional intelligence practitioner, a visiting faculty with Image Consulting Business Institute and Indian Institute of Gems and Jewelry. Adding to her credentials, she is a certified senior associate member of Image Management Professionals Association and has been the ex-president of IMPA. Seema conducts training in personal effectiveness, interpersonal skills, emotional motivation, selling concepts, customer service, work-life balance, corporate dressing, business, social etiquette, etc., etc., etc. Her column on etiquette and handling relationship was a regular feature in the fortnight Bengali magazine Sunanda for over a year. Seema has conducted innumerable training sessions pan-India for corporates like SR, KP Sanghvi International Limited, CGI, Vodafone, ICICI Prudential, Star, Union, Daiichi Life Insurance, PVR, Vedanta Group, Siemens India, Adani Group, HDFC Mutual Life Funds, IIFL. I can go on and on and on. This list seems endless. But anyways, thanks a lot, Seema, for being here. It is really nice to have you on board with us today for this prestigious event. I'm really glad and honored that you accepted my invite.
Thank you, Vandan. Thank you for having me here and sharing this platform with all of us to share and learn. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Next, we have Parul Kaushal. She is the founder of Panache India Consulting. She firmly believes that in today's dynamic world, it is indeed imperative to create a positive and appropriate impression at all times. The saying, first impression is the last impression, still holds strong for most of the industries and individuals who, in their line of work, assess you in a short span of time. So, as an image consultant, she helps people project an image which is appropriate for their role, goal, and occasion. Parul is a certified image consultant from Image Consulting Business Institute affiliated to Consol Image Management USA. She is certified a trainer of etiquettes and grooming by Ms. Sabira Merchant, who is an institute in herself. Her 15 plus years of career journey spans across hospitality, publishing industry, and pharmaceutical industry. She's worked at Moria Sheraton and Park Royal, New Delhi, and has also worked as business development manager for Elsevier Sciences, global leaders in medical headquartered publications headquartered in Amsterdam. Her training modules are made for global India, having a blend of traditional values and global outlook. She conducts customized training sessions for individuals, professionals, women in training, for children of all age groups. For her, image management or creating an individual brand is an amalgamation of art, science, and personal determination. She truly believes that practical knowledge, when applied, can really bring in the challenge, can bring in a change in our lives, which ultimately gives success and happiness that we all strive for in life. Thank you so much, Parul, for being here with us. Indeed, an honor and a privilege to have you with us this evening.
Thank you, Vandan, so much for having me here and giving me this opportunity. And I'm so looking forward to this evening where I'm going to be interacting with all these experienced ladies in our field. So thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Last but definitely not the least, we have Madiha Shah Rasool from Meerut. Her main aim in life is to create an atmosphere and enable all individuals in any organization to work singularly and collectively to achieve professional effectiveness as well as personal well-being. As far as her work experience goes, she is a renowned and certified image coach, life coach, etiquette coach, influencer, and mentor. She has been styling and has been an image consultant with ML Saraf and Sons Meerut since 2018. She's also been working as a freelancer, as an image consultant and soft skills trainer since 2014. As far as activities are concerned, she has been into a multifarious level of activities. She has been a jury member for various events at most prestigious institutions in Meerut. She has been a jury member at KIET Ghaziabad. She has also been a founding core committee member of SOGAM and has been on the advisory panel of Gargi Kids as well. Besides this, she's also associated with a whole lot of societal edification work. She's associated with Gurukul, which is an NGO looking after girl education and development. She's associated with Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and nearly all prestigious ladies clubs in Meerut. She's given her image talks there. And she is still a member and speaker of WEF, which is the very prestigious Women Economic Forum, and ALL, which is All Ladies League International Organizations. And moving on to her key strengths, I would like to say that she is quite an effective communicator. She knows how to play with her words. She has a very pleasing personality. She possesses
Thank you.
with a proven track record, with dynamic attitude, youthful, exuberant, go-getter with a passion for lifelong learning. She has a well-groomed and polished presence that speaks of authority with dignity, proficiency, and managerial strength, compounded through honesty, perseverance, diligence, and discipline. Indeed, an honor and privilege to have you also with us, Madiha. Thank you so much for accepting my invite for today's event.
It's my privilege and honor, in fact, and you have introduced us to our own people, and all four of us have one relationship, that is ICBI, right?
Yes.
And we are into the same profession, changing lives, making a difference in people's lives, and that gives us, more power because we learn through that. Through that impart, what we impart, we learn ourselves also, and we are growing. So thank you very much for considering me and having me over. It's such an honor. Thank you.
And I think today we formed our own little girl gang. It's really nice to have you all
Exactly.
here. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Pleasure is all ours. Thank you.
So, having introduced all our distinguished luminaries of the evening, I think it's time now for us to move on to our question and answers. I'm sure our audiences are also just, very excited to listen to you all. So, my first question is for Madiha. Madiha, we've all heard first impression is the last impression. Even Parul's, when I was reading Parul's introduction, this statement came in. First impression is the last impression. As an experienced image consultant, what is your take on this?
Exactly. So as I'm an educator, so I have a work experience for 17 years in the most prestigious school in Meerut, that is Sophia Girls School. So I have been working with little children, and the adolescent and all. And from there, I always used to feel that, yes, a teacher's first impression on the minds of the children, it really builds them up, it makes them or mars them. And that first impression comes with the conditioning that happens, about, and there's a lot of art and science involved in creating first impressions. So yes, it's first impressions are very, very important. And as they rightly say, you never get a second chance to create a first impression.
First impression.
Like if I give you an example of a very beautiful and very talented and very seductive girl who enters the film world and she wants to take a role, and she's desperate that she at least wants to have a break. Now she gets the role of vamp or of a negative person. He will be put up there, and then what will happen? People will perceive her first impressions will be of a negative lady.
Right.
So later on, no matter how hard she may try, that first impression has already been made, and it'll be very tough for her to come out of that.
Absolutely.
So that is the power of first impression. So first impressions are not just momentary; they are an impact for a lifetime.
Absolutely. Very well.
And I'm sure you all agree. So first impressions are very important. So external as well as internal. So let's begin from the internal aspect. It involves a little bit of psychology also, that certain vibes flow. It's an energy exchange amongst all of us. And there are vibes. So those vibes are negative, positive, whatever. And as soon as you see somebody, so those vibrations start flowing.
Absolutely.
And that is the internal first impression. So either we like the person or we, reject the person in our own subtle way or in a very highlighted way. So then we connect. And of course, side by side, simultaneously, the exterior also casts very good first impressions, which may be very powerful first impressions, which may either be negative or positive. So we need to be very, very particular especially while meeting strangers, or while going to crack a business deal, or while going for an admission for a child, or while going for an interview. So we need to be very, very, we should try our best to be very positive inside out, so that we create powerful, everlasting first impressions. And the reason is that they go beyond the moment. As I said, the first impressions go beyond the moment, and a person carries them in his or her mind for a lifetime. So according to me, like, it's very, very important to create powerful impressions on people, which bring us happiness and success and popularity in all the various aspects of our life.
So as I would
So
say,
thanks.
it
That
is
was an
important
amazing
for all
question.
walks of life. People from all walks
Exactly.
of life need to ensure that
Absolutely.
first impression is really
Right,
impactful.
right. Wonderful.
Yeah,
So thanks. That was
yeah,
amazing. That was an interesting
yeah.
question. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
so that was a great example you put forth. I think we all experience these kind of things. कभी कभी होता है ना कि किसी इंसान को पहली बार मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद उसके बारे में कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता, उसने हमारा कुछ बुरा नहीं किया, but still we feel नहीं, there is
Yes,
The vibe is not
connect
correct.
वो
The
vibe
vibe
नहीं
is
है.
not
yes,
right.
yes,
Right.
yes. उसने कुछ बुरा नहीं किया, वो बुरा नहीं है, फिर भी.
Right. So
Wonderful.
thank you, very well and very explicitly explained. I now move on to Bhavdeep for the next question. Bhavdeep, I have another saying for you, and this says, "Don't judge a book by its cover." ये भी हमने बहुत बार सुना है. So when we talk of image, is it just about the way you dress or the way you look, or is it all about holistic personality grooming, given the fact that you yourself are running a finishing and a grooming school yourself?
Thank you for asking this question, and it's quite relevant with me. So, though the saying goes that we should not judge a book by its cover, but we all do, we all, judge the book by its cover, because, as Madhya rightly said, first impressions really count, and we make those first impressions in those 3 seconds. We judge a person, and we try to, have an image. For example, if you all remember, whenever we used to have our exam, and a teacher enter the class, and we used to say, oh my god, just from her outer image, this teacher is going to be strict, or she's going to be lenient, and all that stuff. So we do cover, this is a saying, and I really relate with that. But I feel that what is image? Actually, image is inside out, and image is an amalgamation, in totality. It is the inside plus the outside. So though we judge the book by its cover, but when we open it and we start reading it, and then we realize. So similarly, that inside part is also very important. Bandhan, I would like to say that I am in Moga, Punjab, and when I started with my finishing school, people used to have this image in mind, that image consultancy is all about looking nice and wearing good fashionable clothes, and I image
True.
consultant, and when people me for grooming, and they realize, oh my god, she is carrying herself so nicely, and she is wearing all those the Indian wear also and everything, because people thought only image is just styling nicely, that's it. But when I talked to them, and I told them, and that awareness was there, that image is what you project in the mind of other, and it is how you carry yourself. So I think image is in totality. It is the inner skills, plus definitely the outside is too important. And this is
Right.
in my finishing, academy, because
Yeah.
finishing is the final product, and the final product is in totality.
So while it is true कि हाँ first impression में हम अपना एक वो बना लेते हैं, but at the same time it does have an impact as to what are the kinds of etiquettes you project, what is the kind of image you project, your behavior,
It is
conduct,
very
attitude.
important. Yes.
Yeah. And I think communication again is something very, very important, be it through body language, be it through your verbal cues.
Certainly.
And I feel
Absolutely,
always,
absolutely.
because we judge it just by the appearance, and in appearance, obviously, the body language and your grooming, your etiquette, these all things
Yeah.
are there. But then, your skills are very important. And today is the time when we really have to, empower this generation with skills, because it's a skill-based industry nowadays.
Right, absolutely.
I,
So I
I
think
hope
you've made a point here that yes, while it is important to look good, you need to
Yes.
feel good about yourself, and you can only feel good about yourself when you're actually equipped with the right kind of skill.
right.
Right.
So it's a
So thank you.
totality. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a totality, a combination.
I think there's quite a lot of misconstruction about image consultancy or image management. लोगों को लगता है बाकी जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो लगता है कि हाँ image है तो it's all about good hair, good dress,
Yes.
branded clothes.
Yes.
That's it. So I think
Yes.
you've opened I think quite a lot of minds here and काफी लोगों को ये बात समझ आ गई होगी that image management goes a way ahead beyond just looking good.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Bhavdeep, for answering that so well with a whole lot of examples. I now move on to a little more real life situation. Parul, if I remember, recently I had seen a video of yours about how to dress. I think you're going through a series of topics in your
Yes,
on your.
yes.
You have talked about how we can dress to look taller. And I found it very impressive. In fact, I would request you to please share these kind of few tips that you had shared
Yes.
here as well for our members.
Absolutely. Yeah, so I would like to tell everybody that I came up with this October series called How Do I Look? So it was all about how do I look slim, how do I look tall, and how do I look glamorous in Indian and Western wear. So that got a very good response, and because I had checked with the women, and I could see that this was a very common concern with all the women out there. And I thought, as an image consultant, if I know the techniques, I know the tips, I know the tricks, why not enable them to feel confident and feel beautiful, and they can rock any outfit. So women have this problem, I'm short, main ye nahi pehen sakti, if I'm little heavy, I can't wear this. So when I had the knowledge, I had the skills, I thought, let me empower these women and just feel good about themselves. So how do I look tall? It was all about, a lot of women had the thing, hum lambe kaise lage, we wear something, but it just doesn't look nice. And so we have the standard, beauty yards of being slim and tall. So, right, all the women have that kind of notion they want to look.
Right.
So basically what I shared with them was about looking tall and slim. So tall, number one, I just wanted to show. So I'm wearing a vertical stripes here myself. So I told them, go for something which is in vertical stripe in your pattern, or it's woven it's in the texture of your clothing. So when somebody looks at you, you get an illusion of length. So you will look tall. Okay, so vertical stripes are the way to go. Don't go for horizontal. They obviously will make you look broader. Number one. Number two, you can go for match shoes. So it's all about, we have been gifted the way we are, but we are very smart, and we know these tips and tricks where we can create an illusion. Right, when somebody looks at us from a distance, where I'm wearing my blue trousers and I'm wearing blue heels, so when somebody looks at me, my length starts from where I've tied, put my trousers till the end of the shoe, right? So it goes in one color. So of course the person will look tall. That's another way of looking very slender and slim. Number three is go for necklines which are V or squarish, where a little skin is shown. It definitely helps you to look taller. Number four would be go for neck pieces which are longer. Don't wear something sticking to your neck. If you're short, that will not give you height. That illusion of length will not be there. So these were the 4-5 things I thought they would matter. And straight pants again. So if you want to look taller and slimmer, go for straight pants. Don't wear something which is hugging your, taking the shape of your body. So again, it will give an illusion of looking tall, and it's all about loving yourself the way you are. But if you can manage these few tips and tricks and look and feel confident about yourself, why not? So that is the whole idea.
Yeah, I'm sure our guests must have, got a whole lot of good tips and tricks to look taller, because that is something we all strive as far
Absolutely.
as
the very common concerns women are dealing with. So I said, let me just give them these tips and feel good.
Yeah. So thank you so much for this. And in the meanwhile, I'd just like to have a lot of people joining in. We have Surbi, we have Rachna, Ragini, Kiran Kumar, Ragini Agarwal, Anshika, Rosie Uppal, and they are actually appreciating the kind of tips and techniques and tricks and whatever you're telling them. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you to all the audiences for joining in. So let's move on to our next thing. And this question is for Seema. Seema, you had a vast experience training people in the corporate world. I would want you to share a few secrets to impressive and powerful corporate dressing.
Thank you, Bandhan, for that question. And it's such an important question, because when it comes to corporate dressing, We know that it has relaxed a bit, and people, they are really confused as what they need to do and how. So first, let me start with that your appearance is your visual resume. As we have been talking about appearance, making the first impression, and let it be a positive one. So when we are dressing up, the first person that we are communicating is to ourselves,
Yes.
and then to the world outside,
Absolutely.
isn't it? So it is upon us as to what message do you want to convey to the people, so they perceive you the way you want them to perceive you.
Right.
So when it comes to the corporate world, it is driven by the industry and the job that you do. Because what one would wear in an banking or in a financial sector, or let's talk about in a legal, would be completely different than what they would be working in sales and marketing, to what they will be working in IT. So here it's very, very important for us to first understand the culture of the industry where I am working, and I'm dressing up for this industry. So the most important things that one needs to keep in mind is that what is your goal? What is the objective that you want to achieve? So
Right.
is it that the message that you want to portray through your clothes, that you want to come across as authoritative, as sincere, as as being somebody who is neutral, or you want to come across as a message that, okay, I take care of myself, and at the same time I am approachable,
Right.
so I'm a friendly person, or I'm a person who is slightly relaxed. So it's very important that to understand that what is the message, because clothes have a language of their own, and at the
Yeah.
same time we have certain expectations from the industry where people are working.
Absolutely.
And so having set the goals in mind, the next thing that I have to keep in mind is that, okay, now what are the things that I need to do is, so what is the occasion like? Is it
Yeah.
an occasion
Very
where
important. Very important.
I need to probably, give a seminar? So I would be dressing up probably a bit higher than what my audiences would be wearing. Or is it one, where I'm just meeting for a business meet with my, let's say, with my client, and where I'm going for the meeting. So the location is equally important. Like, are
Right.
you going to are you going to a 5-star hotel, or you are going to a brunch in a club, or where you are going? So these three things are very, very important: your objective, your occasion, and the location.
Okay.
And
So
yeah, and having
yeah.
come to
So
that, other basic things that one needs to keep in mind. So for example, get your foundation pieces clear. So that is like going for very basics and classics, shirts, trousers, your blazer, the tie. So going for the basics ones, and like if they are classic pieces, so they are timeless pieces. वो पहले भी लोग पहनते थे और अभी भी पहनेंगे. So they are the ones who
True.
will never go out of fashion, and it is
right.
easy for you to mix and match also. So choose your foundation pieces by going in for wardrobe neutral colors like blacks, whites, browns, grays, blues, and this will help you from the decision making fatigue, as most of the corporate leaders go for. So they have these standard colors and classic pieces that they mostly mix and match. And next, all said and done, we all are individual. So image management is all about portraying your own personal style. So as you can see, all of us are over here, but each one of us, we are dressed in a different way, coming from the same,
Absolutely. True.
Right.
isn't it? So here your personal style comes into mind. For example, have a focal point which should be near your face. So like for the corporate, you can go in for a tie. For some people would say, oh my, I wouldn't want the tie. So they can go in for a cufflink. Some people can go in for they like small checks. So have individual style that you can maintain. So that is your own personal style.
Right.
And then like always go in for the right fit. So it should be fit over fashion. You might be wearing the best of branded clothes, but अगर वो आपको ठीक से fit नहीं कर रहा हो, so it's of no use.
And then you wouldn't be able to conduct yourself very comfortably. So that also
Absolutely.
makes you lose on your confidence level.
Very
Right.
true.
Exactly, because you're, as you rightly said, like when you are dressed well, it it is also, apart from being image inside out, it is also image that is, outside in, because it gives you that confidence level. It elevates when you look at the
Totally,
mirror. What the
totally.
mirror says, you are ready to go.
Absolutely. So
So,
I
Absolutely.
think
like these
your
are some of
objective, yeah, objective, occasion, location. I think these are the three key words that we need to keep in mind
Yes.
when we are dressing for some corporate event or something like that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but
absolutely.
I would just like to,
And
kind of ask this question. There's this one little query that I have. For
yeah,
example, if one is a principal of a particular school and the same principal goes for a seminar and the next day she has to go for a wedding. So would she be dressing up as a professional at both the places, or would she be like, if it's an employee's wedding, so would she have to have the same kind of dressing code, or would she like kind of change?
one has to change, because see, like we play different roles and goals in life.
Right.
So each one of us, like, there are so many needs inside us, and we
Absolutely.
need to dress up as per the different roles
Okay.
and goals in life. And
Okay.
whenever in doubt, क्योंकि हमेशा जब हमको डाउट होता है ना, कि I look in the mirror and लगता है कि कुछ एक ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, so then go with that first intuition, and
That's right.
remember
The
that
gut
means you
feeling.
need to change, right?
Yeah.
So whenever in doubt, try to go for a little formal look, dress up, and you wouldn't find people telling you that you are looking too good. So it's always a best bet, to look better and elevate your look.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I think you've given us quite a lot of valuable insights into powerful corporate dressing. Thank you so much for your ideas. And now I would like to move on to Madiha once again. And Madiha, for a lot of people who are on the plus size, like myself, could you suggest some techniques to dress in a manner which makes us feel and look slimmer and, yes, of course, more confident? Because एक और issue
Absolutely.
आता है when you are slightly on the plus side, a lot of people tend to lose their confidence also. So how can you have those kinds of tips, the tips and techniques in order to make yourself look slimmer and feel more confident about yourself?
Wonderful. That's an interesting question again. So, see, the I would like to continue with Seema's answer itself. That first of all, the myth has to be busted that image management is not just about fashion and styling. It is not just for the celebrities or for the top and HNIs.
True.
So, image management is for one and all. Number one.
Totally.
Number two, image management is such a wide and deep and intense subject, and it is the most happening profession, which is bringing so much of class and sophistication, and it is elevating people. Here I don't mean that your financial status. It is elevating your social status through your dressing, through your behavior, through your communication, and of course through your virtual footprint, digital footprint as well. So now,
Right.
coming to your question precisely, first of all, yes, you are so right that people tend to lose their confidence, but no, we make you look your best. So an image consultant will not tell you, okay, go Bandhan, go to the gym and shed off
First
the
lose this
7 kgs
Hmm.
and then come back.
Yeah.
No, we will definitely try our best to make you look your best in whatever body shape and weight you possess right
Yeah.
now. So the thing which we work on is two strategies which are countering and repeating.
Okay.
Right. So we counter your body variations. And by variations, I mean anything which has changed, in your body because you gave birth to children, or you had a diabetic kind of a history, or you had a thyroid, or you had some excessive eating problem because of which you have gained weight. Right.
Right.
So image management is again about very much of positivity, high level of positivity. So we never say, flaws, ye hai, wo hai. No, we say these are body variations. And variations keep on happening. Sometimes you lose weight, sometimes you gain weight. So we try our best to counter your variations and to repeat your essence. All right. So as every person is unique, besides your body weight, every person is unique. Every person has some good features. So for a plus size person also, what we would recommend, personally what I would recommend is to know his or her uh, good, the good features which are to be highlighted. For example,
Right.
if a lady is into westerns and she has plus size, but she has nice long and toned legs, so we would bring attention towards the legs,
Okay.
and then if maybe she has a collarbone and a hip is large, but then the upper area is nice. So the
Right.
collarbone is visible. So we would try to highlight the collarbone.
Okay.
All right. So now again, there are two aspects in our body also. One is the face and one is the body. So we go by evaluating your face shape and your body shape. And once that is clear to the client, then it becomes very easy for us to recommend certain clothing, certain accessories, and everything. Now, when we talk about clothes, we need to see, as I said, it's very scientific and it's very analytical. So we need to work on the elements of design. So for a plus size person, we would try to take the lines which we use in the garments. All the garments are made with lines, and our body also has lines. So the silhouettes of our body and the silhouettes of our clothes, right? So we should use a bit of lines which are like straight, so they would counter the curves
Right.
and give you an illusion of a little toneness or slimness.
Right.
So it is all about giving optical illusions, and they definitely work. Like if you are a low-waisted person, that means your legs are shorter than your torso. So a low waist, lower garment is not meant for you. So this is all the gain of image consultancy, that if something comes in trend, suppose low waist trousers or jeans, now everybody switches on to that, being absolutely unmindful of the fact कि ये यार आपकी legs को और short कर रहा है.
Right.
ठीक है, तो अब आप प्लस साइज हैं, तो आपको ज्यादातर ट्राई करना चाहिए कि आप हाई वेस्ट चीज पहने, हाई वेस्ट लोअर गारमेंट पहने, so that your legs appear to be slimmer and taller.
Slimmer and taller.
Yes.
Right. Now coming to the fabric, your fabric always has to be a medium weight fabric.
Okay.
क्योंकि ज्यादा flimsy, light and low waist fabric will reinforce your body variations.
Right.
Number one. Number two, if you wear a heavy weighted, this thing, a fabric, if you use a heavy weight fabric, that will again reinforce, because एक तो थोड़ा
Restrict
plus
your-
size है, और
Fluffy,
और
fluffy सा look
add
आएगा।
on कर देगा, add on कर देगा.
Yeah.
So the best
Right.
is to use medium weight fabrics, that is georgettes, some types of crepes and satins.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. Georges and crepes are my favorite.
Exactly. And you should try to wear A-line dresses. A-line.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So A-line dresses will definitely counter the bulges because they are not fit. And you should avoid wearing fitted clothes. Okay? So this is about the clothes. And again, as Parul said, आपको सेम, ये तो रूल है कि आपको लोअर गारमेंट के साथ का मैचिंग फुटवेयर पहनना चाहिए. ठीक है. Now coming to the accessories, they are very important. So you should be very careful firstly about your handbag. तो आपका handbag बहुत bulky, बहुत large नहीं होना चाहिए. Again, the shape, if you talk about the size, it should be medium. If you talk about the shape, it should be a little structured. क्योंकि आप already plus हैं, और अगर आप एक झोला वाला बैग जो होता है, वो पकड़ लोगे तो वो भी राउंडेड शेप में है, तो वो आपके और प्लस साइज को, आपकी राउंडेड शेप को और रीइंफोर्स करेगा. तो आपका जो बैग है वो स्ट्रक्चर्ड होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग, अगर आप क्लच पकड़ोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. नंबर वन. नंबर टू, about the accessories that you wear in the form of jewelry and all, they should not be, diagonally shaped. They should have some lines again. So they could be in geometrical designs, and again, not very bulky, not very chunky, because again, they will reinforce your neck and everything. Then you should rely on the strategy of wearing long chains which are not up close to your face. That will give illusion of length again to your
Length again.
Okay.
You should never wear padded blazers. Now,
Right.
last point about sari. If you are a sari person and you are a plus person, so you have to be very mindful about the blouse. So try to wear such a blouse which is long in length. Why? Because it will cover up all your back bulges. There are those love puppies,
Bulges.
जिसको बोलते हैं slang में love puppies पंजाब में हमारे,
Right.
उनको वो long length का blouse होता है वो cover कर लेता है. I have seen so many ladies besides image management वो इसलिए mindful नहीं रहती हैं, तो blouse उनकी shape को और reinforce कर देता है क्योंकि blouse से बाहर आ जाते हैं bulges. So I always recommend
Right.
again medium fabric, medium weight fabric का blouse and with a long shape. So what two things will happen? It will counter your bulges and it will also give length to your torso.
Right.
Right.
So you should be very,
So I
very
think
careful.
again a whole lot of tips here. Yeah.
Yes.
So I think
And then-
what I can make out from the talk of all these image consultants out here, I think image consultancy has a whole lot of science, art, and psychology that
Absolutely.
goes into actually styling a person.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Because we tell you, Bandhan, that this works for you. This
Right.
doesn't work for you. And why? And why?
It's a
ये तो बहुत
customer.
आसान है, ये तेरे ऊपर सुंदर नहीं लग रहा, उतार इसको. ये तो बहुत आसान है यार. क्यों सुंदर नहीं लग रहा या क्यों सुंदर लग रहा है ये तो बताओ. तो ये हम बताते हैं.
I think the
Because-
beauty here is, if I can just say that, we're not telling
Yeah.
you to change. You are the way you are. But we'll just tell you few things, the do's and don'ts, which will make you look good and feel good about yourself.
Perfect.
I always feel, if you change the way you look, then the way you're feeling will also change. Because that confidence, you're on a different high than altogether.
Yeah.
It gives you a
That's why I
different
always
high.
keep saying, you know what, this is my favorite quote. I have made it myself. I am what I am, and no one can take that from me.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And we're not telling you to change. We'll just tell you
Yeah.
this is how
We're
to
telling
look
you to
more fabulous.
Look better in the way you are. To look your best
Absolutely.
the way you are.
Absolutely.
Right.
एक छोटी सी
Yeah.
चीज मैं बताना चाह रही थी Bandhan. छोटी सी
हाँ जी,
चीज
हाँ जी।
like you were talking
हाँ जी।
about that शादी में एक प्रिंसिपल जाएगी और एक तो वो प्रिंसिपल है और फिर वो रात को शादी में जा सकती है अपने काउंटर पार्ट की या अपने सबॉर्डिनेट की. तो क्लोथिंग के थ्रू जैसे उसने बोला कि ऑफ कोर्स पारुल एंड सीमा की एंड कोहली आल्सो बी ऑन द सेम पेज दैट ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव डिफरेंट रोल्स एंड गोल्स. मगर क्लोथिंग का यही फायदा है कि clothing talks everything about you. Your authority, your credibility, your formality, your financial status, everything. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो प्रिंसिपल कोई ना कोई अपनी क्लोथिंग में ऐसा कोई क्यों ऐड करेगी जहां वो थोड़ी उसकी अथॉरिटेटिव लेवल दिखाई देगा.
Right. So I think
I
we've
feel
pretty
like
much
if she
made
goes
the
for
point clear.
okay.
Yeah. Yes.
came
Please,
just-
please.
Yeah, just came to my mind. Suppose, I just want to ask you, ladies, that suppose a principal going for a wedding and she's wearing a very deep neck, like back. Okay, it's a very small thing. Like we all wear those kind of blouses.
Yes,
So how would
yes.
she be perceived there? So people will think
Yeah.
that ये principal है ऐसे क्यों पहन कर आई कि ठीक है, she has a right to look glamorous in spite of the
Yeah.
fact what role and goal what role she has in her professional life. So I was just thinking that would that be
Yeah.
appropriate or not?
Exactly.
So,
But see,
what is your take on this?
industry. The industry
Navdeep, what is your take on this?
See, what
बताओ.
happens, What I feel is, see, everybody carries an image. Now, I am like, for example, if I am the principal, so people perceive me कि ये principal है और ये ऐसी
हाँ,
लगनी चाहिए. तो मैं
बिल्कुल.
if I will go, I won't wear that deep blouse. Again, वो हो
हाँ, that's what I thought.
क्योंकि
You
लोग
have to maintain that dignity.
कैसी लगती है यहाँ पे, तो कुछ भी मीडियम वाला, कुछ भी ना बहुत ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम नहीं करके, बल्कि मिडिल वे आई वुड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि ठीक है, लगे कि प्रिंसिपल है वो उसके
हाँ.
पे भी जा सकते हैं और जाते हैं, तो
Right.
किस तरीके से कि लोग आपकी मतलब इट शुड बी इनकॉन्ग्रुएंट विद योर रोल एंड गोल, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है
बस बस बस.
आप ऐसा मिसमैच नहीं हो सकता है कि नाउ बिकॉज आई एम हेयर सो आई कैन बी लाइक दिस एंड आई एम
Yeah.
हेयर, तो वो इनकंसिस्टेंट.
But if you're going to a relative's wedding,
Yeah,
अगर आप
relative,
principal
I
हो
think
but आप
then
अपने
you can take a
relatives की wedding
chance.
पे जा रहे हो,
तो
then
उनके
you
ऊपर
can
भी
wear
तो
it.
image है ना.
Again, Bandhan, I would say कि where are you going and what is your role in it? Like you are going as a
No,
principal.
the
Now, for
same
example, I'm
principal.
going
No,
Yeah, the same
relative.
principal is now going to a family wedding. Then she can
हाँ,
go
तो
ahead and
वहाँ
wear something glamorous.
तो
So
family
may I,
wedding, or her role would be different. Now she's like a
Yeah,
sister.
then you can afford to
Right.
experiment with a
Honestly, तो
deep
she
neck.
Right.
can play with the clothes, she can play with colors, but वहाँ पे वो सब उसे मैम कहेंगे और वहाँ पे she'll be sister
Right.
and her image.
True, true.
Right.
Depends where are you going. People associate. अभी सब लोग सोचते हैं कि image consultant है, you can't wear suits, you can't do this. It's like what you have to wear, where are you going, what is your role, and need those WH are very important. What,
Right.
where, why, and what you want to express.
Yes.
You want to look approachable, you want to look authoritative, what you
True.
want to project. पहले ये
Yes.
सोचिए जहां पे भी जा रहे हैं, मेरा रोल क्या है, मेरा क्या मैं वहां पे करने वाली हूँ, और लोग मुझे देखेंगे तो क्या सोचेंगे कि मैं क्या करने आई हूँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि हम नहीं
I think
सोचते.
question में काफी सारी clarity काफी लोगों को मिली होगी, including my own self. So,
right. So
thanks a
again,
lot
to
for
sum it
sharing your
up,
views.
uh,
Nothing much.
to
You
sum
wanted
it
to say
up, I
something.
think those 3 golden rules are very apt. It talks about like आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, आप क्या objective है, और है ना आपका
Absolutely.
location,
Absolutely.
occasion and objective comes into place. So
Very
the
important.
moment that
Absolutely.
Pradeep said, you ask yourself those questions like, what is my objective, where am I going, what is the purpose, whom I'm meeting, so everything falls in place.
Yes, and as Madiha also said, वो gut feeling. That
Yeah.
gut feeling
हाँ.
also is there.
Yes,
बिल्कुल.
yes, true.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And then you can
So-
say whether you are dressing up or you are dressing down, or
Down.
like आपका क्या रोल है. For example, if I'm a trainer, so अभी मेरा ऑनलाइन सेक्शन है, या I'm training a corporate, या मैं स्कूल में बच्चों को पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ. Supposing I'm going to teach to kindergarten kids, so I can't dress in my suit and going
Business
and
suit.
I want to look
Yes.
friendly. I want to talk to them. I want
Yeah.
to. So I should wear something floral and something really
Absolutely.
nice, और जिसके साथ वो मुझसे बात
Yeah,
कर
which
सके.
captures their eye.
Relation.
Yeah.
Clothes make relation. Yeah.
That's why वो
Make
kindergarten
relation.
के rooms आपने देखा वो full of pictures होते हैं and cartoons, so that they get attracted. So it's again there what you want to project and what
Otherwise, yeah.
तुम्हारा what you want to find perceive कि लोग आपके बारे में क्या सोचे.
Absolutely.
They'll be intimidated when they look at you. If you
Yeah.
go in a blazer to
Yeah.
a place, they'll be intimidated with your personality. They won't reach out to you only.
Exactly.
Right.
We
And I
relate to
think
our clothing.
Bhavdeep just made a point about talking to people online these days. I mean, there's a whole lot of, even we are talking online these days. So my next question is for Parul, and it goes in continuation to what Bhavdeep just mentioned here. And the question is, as everything is gone online these days, how can you ensure that you project an image which is appealing on video calls? And are there any etiquettes to be followed as such?
Absolutely. Actually, I don't know whether I should say thanks to the lockdown and thanks to this pandemic, the whole world has come to a virtual platform, as you all know.
Right.
We've all been working on virtual platform, and it's all about this much what we see, of each other on the screens. So, of course, I have few pointers which I would like to share because I've done few sessions on etiquettes and about virtual reputation management. So, number one would be, of course, very basic points is, get your device ready, get it charged, log in 10 minutes before you want to start a session so that you can check the camera, the lights and everything, the audio. Very important. Number two, the lighting. Make sure you get an additional light. If you get natural light in your room, very good. But if you don't have that, you get an additional light from the front, not from behind.
Right.
Okay, otherwise your picture will look very blurred. So make sure you have a lamp or something extra coming from the side, so that your face, lightens up. Number 3 would be, please make sure that you do not have too much of clutter at the background. Then, you're sitting where a lot of things of the house can be seen. Either it needs to be a plain wall or curtains. So you
Right.
should not have a lot of things behind, like a table or a fridge and some backgrounds, a lot of paintings needs to be avoided. Okay, then when you're wearing clothes, so whatever the color of your wall is, don't wear the same color. Please go
Okay.
in for a brighter shade so that
You
it's
don't get
your
camo pants.
image. Yes.
Yes.
If it's a beige wall, I'm wearing a beige color or a white color outfit, I'll just merge into the background, right? So that is also very important, I feel. Then of course, no food and drinks during your very basic point. That's to be avoided. Then you should go for brighter colors. So when you go for these Zoom meetings, and get your attention to the face, because here I think it's literally to the face, right? We're just seeing our top selves in these windows. So the attention has to be here. Your necklines, your accessories, your clothing colors, your makeup play a very, very important role in these Zoom meetings, and your hair. Right,
Absolutely.
so you need to look very presentable at all times. Your hair needs to be tidy. Then your necklines can be very smart. You have those bow blouses, bow neck pieces. Then your V necks, you have your square necks, and wear a nice neck piece, because that will look very attractive. Your face will look very attractive. Because I think now, look at all of us, we all have different ways of styling. So Madhya is wearing a scarf, right? It looks like so it's looking so attractive. And then Seema is wearing a lovely, yeah, so we are modeling ourselves right now. And
Yes.
Seema is wearing a
As a
lovely
matter of
ethnic
fact, Parul,
piece.
I must say, I was a little bit conscious today while dressing, because I was like, जितने सारे image consultants आ रहे हैं यहाँ, I need to be at my best.
No.
I was
If
feeling
we are
very
conscious,
conscious
we dress
about
up
image
well.
consultants. Yeah,
When we are conscious, we dress up well because we take more care.
absolutely right.
Absolutely.
तो जैसे कि
And you're looking beautiful, Vandan.
This, I want to also show something practical. ये स्कार्फ नहीं है, ये इसी ड्रेस का बेल्ट है. तो फेसबुक पर आप
Awesome.
इसका बेल्ट है, वेस्ट बेल्ट. तो मैंने
अच्छा.
इसका
Now that you
इसका
mentioned it,
style
now we
करा.
can see.
So
Yeah.
I think
that is image management.
absolutely.
Right.
Now I want to tell the viewer
Now
that how
that's a
she's.
practical hack.
Yeah, because she would have wasted the belt on her waist. Nobody's seeing it.
I
Right?
threw it
इसमें तो किसी को
away.
दिखता ही
I
नहीं है.
tried. Yeah, ऐसे भी
It would have
दिखाई
no
नहीं
waste.
देगा. दिखाई नहीं देगा.
Cool.
हाँ.
Absolutely.
एंड इसमें एक और चीज ऐड कर लो वो बंधन के लिए, कि अगर हम लोग जैसे अगर हमारे कर्वी फीचर्स हैं, फेस शेप है, तो हमको थोड़ा सा उनको डायगनल बना देना चाहिए, थोड़ी सी अथॉरिटी लाने के लिए चाहिए. और अगर बहुत ज्यादा डायगनल है तो उसमें थोड़ा सा हमको
Softness चाहिए है.
जैसे मेरे को मैं बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट लगती हूँ, जैसे अंदर से नहीं हूँ लेकिन लगती हूँ. तो डायगनल एक जो फेस शेप है, तो मैं इसलिए थोड़ा सा सॉफ्टनेस लाती हूँ. आई वोंट but then I wear rounded like pearls and
right.
उससे थोड़ा सा illusion हो जाता है.
So it's all about getting a harmony. It's just harmony in your look.
Yes.
Just getting that harmony in your look.
It's a balance.
Absolutely. So that's what I'm saying. I can't say much because everybody here, we've got the tension. Like Bhavdeep is wearing a dark lipstick, so that's looking nice. That red and white scarf. Seema is wearing such a lovely neck piece. Vandan aap hi pehna hua hai, kitna pretty neck piece. So the attention right now is on face. So let's do something where our hair are neat, our makeup is very attractive, dark color lipsticks will always stand out, and dark color clothes, the brighter color clothes. Okay, don't go for neons, don't go for more of white and black, they say, and the reds also. But what you are wearing, it's looking pretty cool, and your logic behind that, the polka dots, is excellent as well. So that's what I would
like with a third layer also.
That's authority.
Removes too much of this thing. I covered it up with to give little formality also with the third layer. In a formal situation, And
And
so it's
when you remove it, it becomes casual.
And one more,
exactly, yes, it does.
Yes,
It
Bhavdeep.
does.
there should be one focal point, one important point where you
Yes.
put all the focus. Sometimes you
Right.
wear the piece also and drape those
Yeah.
scarves and
Ah,
lipsticks also and those danglers
True.
also. And we find like
No.
this. So there should be
Christmas
one
tree.
point, like when somebody looks at you, okay, उसकी attention कहाँ पे आपको draw करना है. That's
Right.
very
yes.
Very
Absolutely.
important.
Very, very well.
so
Very
that
well
there is
said.
no conflict कि मैं कहाँ देखूँ
कहाँ
ऐसा
देखूं वो बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. Has to
one
be one point.
Harmony. Yes. Yes.
very good.
Rhythm. Rhythm
Yes,
honi
yes.
chahiye.
And
Rhythm.
the
Right.
focal point also varies again depending upon the occasion. So if
Yes,
it is
yes.
a formal one, it has to be towards your face. If it is a social, it can be towards your hands or feet,
Yeah.
wherever.
Yeah,
Yes.
true.
Yes.
I have got so much
Very
to
important.
learn from all of you guys today. I mean, I'm really enjoying this talk. I mean, we've
We
had a
also
whole lot of
enjoy it.
panel discussion, but we haven't had this much of interaction. This is probably the first time. So, I mean, I'm really happy that our season 2, I decided to host this as episode 1. I mean, I'm really enjoying this conversation. Thank you so much, everyone.
We all
Thank you. We are really
We
enjoying.
are enjoying.
We
Yeah.
are revising our lesson.
Absolutely, lot of recap.
So for you, it's revision. For me, it's learning. For the audiences, it's learning. So
Yeah.
that's the way it is.
True.
So
Thank
you so much, Parul, for telling us something on etiquette. I think there are a whole lot of vital points that you've shared here. And now I move
Most
on to
welcome.
Seema. Seema has been patiently waiting, smiling. And now the question is for you, Seema. Who needs an image consultant and what are the duties of an image consultant?
Yes.
So though थोड़ा सा हमने इस पे बात already किया है, but
कर
still,
लिया है.
what is your take on this?
Right. So I would again, have a counter question over here. Like, tell me anyone who wouldn't like to feel good, look good, and to enhance their look, isn't it?
True.
Yeah, so the answer will be unanimously yes. We all need to look good.
Absolutely. Yes. I mean, like, why not? So I feel anybody and everybody needs an image consultant. And image consulting industry is not new. It has already been there in our roots.
Right.
So if we go back, it has always been there, because if you see, people used to always loved, to look good. We've been dressing up. If you go back to our history, the amount of accessories that are there, the fabrics, different kinds of fabrics, if you go back, it has already been there. But what had happened was that people had slightly become very comfortable and, had come to a very casual look. कि
Very
चलता
casual.
है attitude.
हाँ.
एंड वो जो चलता है एटीट्यूड इतना ज्यादा हो गया था कि तब मैंने the requirement came that the corporate, I remember, like I would go and we were told that can you subtly send across the message to the people that what they need to do, because there's a very fine line between appropriateness and relevant to the industry as well. So you can't be taking yourself to be too casual.
Right.
And again, so keep your roles and goals in mind when dressing up. So I personally feel that each and every person needs an image consultant, and especially it becomes all the more important, whenever there has been some change in your life. Probably, somebody wants to get back to work after a long sabbatical, or there
Right.
has been a promotion, or there has been suppose somebody is moving out of the country, to understand like how the needs are, how they need to settle down. So those are the times when it becomes all the more important to take advice and consultancy from an image consultant.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think that very well answers the question that I had asked. And I would just like to say image consultancy, as you said, बचपन से हम लोग भी देखता है. तब सिर्फ फर्क ये होता था, मम्मा से पूछ लिया, मामी से
मम्मा
पूछ
से,
लिया.
टीचर
वो भी
से.
थोड़ा
हाँ.
वो भी थोड़ा लगता था ना, यार ये बहुत अच्छे से ड्रेसअप होते हैं, तो उनसे
हाँ,
पूछ लिया,
that's-
हमें उनके जैसे तैयार होना है. So now it has become more professional. And one little question that I have, and I think probably I would request any one of you to answer this. Is it a notion, a preconceived notion कि image consultation is very, very expensive and is only meant for high-end clients? ऐसा कुछ है?
ऐसा तो है नहीं वैसे.
Okay, नहीं, I mean, I'm just saying, एक normal एक preconceived notion रहता है दिमाग
है,
में.
यहाँ पर भी है. Yes.
Yeah,
So-
people think that they can't afford an image consultant. अरे
But
किसी से पूछ
is
के
it
ऐसे ही कर
true?
लो. Why to spend so much money?
Yeah, but
To
is
some
it
extent.
दे फाइंड कि गूगल कर लो, बहुत टिप्स हैं, लेकिन भवदीप को, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल भवदीप एज अ प्लस साइज, लाइक उसको क्या चाहिए, दैट कस्टमाइज थिंग वो इमेज कंसल्टेंट ही बता सकते हैं। ड्रेसेस कहता है कि मोटे लोगों में, फॉर एग्जांपल मोटे लोगों में भी कई वेरिएशंस है, कई के शोल्डर्स बहुत हैवी है, अपर हैवी है, लोअर टॉर्सो हैवी है, तो उनको कस्टमाइज कैसे देना वो एक इमेज ही बता सकता है, इमेज कंसल्टेंट ही। तो so like,
is it well within the reach of middle class families also?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Because an image consultant, what they would do is, like, it's they would first try to analyze, like, what you are looking at, what is your need, and
Through image
based on
scope.
that they would give you that specific recommendation.
Right.
So
So actually, this
we
is
have
one
image
question
scope.
from our audiences,
areas.
and yeah, you can see it here. Yes, this is what I wanted to know, though I can't make out who this Facebook user is. But this is a question which I think बहुत लोगों को trouble करता है कि शायद image consultancy is not for us because we can't afford it. So I think आज आप लोगों ने ये भी clear कर दिया that it is not that difficult, it is not that expensive, and it is well within the reach of even middle class families.
Right.
So the concept of
Expensive is
image
a very
management is
relative
also
term, I feel also. That, what is your goal? Because it has been observed and found that, anybody who has, portrayed herself or himself in a better light, has been able to conduct themselves in a way that is desired in a particular situation. Because if you look at it, your appearance, your behavior, your communication, your body language, everything counts. So, this is something that would help you actually to elevate yourself and to get more success.
And I think there's another thing that we need to understand. Let's not treat it as an expenditure. Let's treat it like an investment on ourselves.
Investment.
Absolutely.
Yes.
It is an investment. It is an investment.
Yes.
Yeah.
A lot of people think that image consultant is a stylist. There's a difference between a stylist and an image consultant. That also people need to be aware, which they are really oblivious about the fact that ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ कपड़ा. It's not कि it's not about fashion what we're talking about here.
बिल्कुल.
Right? It's going to be
and the
customized.
Parul has just made a point, and as a matter of fact, I think कुछ ही उसी continuation में मेरा next question भवदीप के लिए है. Bhavdeep, you are you're already into communication skills, but as they say, 75% of our communication is through body language, the way we conduct ourselves. It's only 25% which is through verbal cues. So having said that, I would like to ask you, how can we create that appropriate clothing communication? Do our clothes communicate? And if they do, how can we create that appropriate clothing communication?
Bandhan, I absolutely, I am in this, I relate with this. And that's the clothing they communicate. Clothes communicate, and clothes have power. So definitely, the clothes, they have a language. And, what, again, clothes, how they communicate, again, you have to see, where are you going, which we have already discussed, what is your role and what is your goal, and you have to dress up accordingly. So ये बहुत जरूरी है कि पहले ये जानिए कि हमारे आप क्या कम्युनिकेट करना चाहते हो, आप कहाँ पे जा रहे हो, how you want your clothes to communicate, because I said clothing has a language. Right. So Zig Ziglar, a quote by Zig Ziglar is that you cannot climb the ladder of success if you're dressed in the costume of failure. So it's what Zig Ziglar.
Yeah, makes sense.
You cannot climb the ladder of success if you are still dressed in the costume of failure. So you have to see, that what your clothes, what are they communicating? Because clothes have a language. And, it's not what you wear, but how you wear. That is also आपने कैसे पहना है ये भी जरूरी है, और किसके साथ किसको मैच किया है ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So I think, like for example, a doctor or a bank, professional, they have those stereotypical image. So अभी जब वो बैंक मैनेजर छुट्टी के लिए जा रहा है, वेकेशन जा रहा है, गोवा जा रहा है, अब उसके क्लोथ्स जो है, अब वो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो अपना प्रॉपर चेक शर्ट एंड पैंट पहन के ही इज गोइंग. अब उनका रोल एंड गोल अलग हो गया, उसके क्लोथ्स कुछ और कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, वो क्या मैसेज देंगे वो अलग होगा. So again, clothes, definitely they have a language, but again, those WH question, where are we going and what we want our clothes to communicate. आप क्या चाहते हो कि जब आपको कोई देखे, when somebody looks at you, what message you want them, कि वो क्या message receive करे आपकी clothing से. So this is again the crux कि, your role and your goal is very, very important.
I think an extension of what Seema has been saying. These things are important.
Because image is all about this. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक पर्सन डिफरेंट रोल है और अलग जगह पे उसका अलग रोल हो सकता है. अभी when I am the trainer, so I am in the front of the audience, and when I'm training, so I am the one, और सबकी आंखें मुझ पर होंगी. मैं क्या चाहती हूँ कि लोग मेरे क्लोथिंग क्या कम्युनिकेट करें. अगर तो ऐसा है, मैं चाहती हूँ I should look the topmost, I should look authoritative, everybody should say, oh my god, she's Miss No One and all, and she knows everything and all the experience, so I should look authoritative. While I want that everybody should like me, and that I want that approachability types, everybody should be open and they should ask questions. So then again, I would relate, I would dress up accordingly. So it depends, आपकी level of dressing, and we image consultant, we know the level of dressing, the level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So we, then dress up accordingly. Sometimes it's like formal, sometimes it's business casuals. So again, the clothing definitely they communicate. So जब भी आप कपड़े पहनो और जिस occasion के लिए जा रहे हो, देखो कि क्या वो relate कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. अभी for example for a cinema, for like watching out for a movie, I can't dress up in my collars, and I can't go like this.
That will make us look absurd.
Yeah,
absolutely.
वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Occasion भी देखना चाहिए, और आपका वहाँ पे क्या रोल है वो भी बहुत जरूरी है.
Right, absolutely.
That's very important.
Right.
So
Or
again,
unconsciously, consciously, I think we all are projecting an image.
Yes.
Right.
And we are constantly working on it. So it is evolving. Your image is always at work. It is evolving.
Right, absolutely. So true.
And image is how people project you. क्या image? Image is you in the eyes of others.
Minds of others. Yes.
That is the image. And again, when I started with my conversation, images in totality. Don't think, and this is like my tip for all the viewers also. Image, please don't think that image consultant is all about dressing nicely. It's also about the inside. So we image consultant works on the soft skills also, the inner part also, and the outside. It's a combination. It's a combo.
Absolutely.
Because in a sandwich, what is inside is also important,
Also
and
important. That is what builds the taste.
Yes.
That's
Right.
And like I may add what Bhavdeep has said, like your knowledge, skills, they are very important, and your effort. So your clothes can never take the place of your knowledge, skills, and effort.
Absolutely.
However, having said that, your clothes can help you to achieve your goal, to get the desired result.
Let me cite a very small example here. I had been to this conference once, and वहाँ पर there was this lady who was just wearing her sari very normally, कुछ neck piece वगैरह कुछ नहीं पहना हुआ, ऐसे एक जूड़ा सा बांधा हुआ, and she was not looking. I mean, एक कह सकते हैं कि I was being judgmental about her, and मुझे लगा कि she's just there as an audience. But believe you me, once she was on stage and she started speaking, I mean, the kind of immense learning she had about the topic and the way she conveyed everything. So even though मेरा पहला impression शायद उतना वो नहीं था कि हाँ, I thought she is just here as an audience, but जब वो बोलना शुरू हुई तो मेरा impression एकदम change हो गया. So I think Bhavdeep is absolutely right. In fact, all of you are absolutely right when you say it's an entire combination. It's a combo package.
Yes.
We only focus on the outside part. कई बार ऐसा बंधन होता है कि हमें अरे लगता तो नहीं है, अरे लगती तो नहीं है, करते हैं. अच्छा, बट यस, मैं ये बात नहीं कहूंगी कि क्लोथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं. क्लोथिंग बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
उल्टा भी होता है. Someone is very stylishly dressed, and उसके बाद when you talk to them, they just
you totally put off.
Impression goes down the drain.
Contradictory होता है.
It happens both ways. So I think both are important, and they both complement each other.
बिल्कुल.
So let's
ये है कि अगर हमें कपड़े पहनने ही है तो क्यों ना हम अच्छी तरह से अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करें to be a good man.
Yeah, let's take a little lot of pain on dressing ourselves properly while we're also working at our skills.
Why not?
Yeah.
And one more thing, please don't copy anybody. You all are a unique brand yourself. I know that as an image consultant, I have to dress up like this, but I have my own personal style. I have my own values. I have my own way. So don't copy anybody कि ऐसा ही हो. अगर साड़ी पे सबने नेक पीस पहना ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है. आपका अपना एक स्टाइल है, उसको इवॉल्व कीजिए, फाइंड योर वैल्यूज। लाइक जैसे सीमा ने बोला, हम सबकी अलग नीड्स हैं, वैल्यूज हैं, तो उन वैल्यूज को रियलाइज करो, तो और उसके बाद आप आप एक एप्रोप्रिएट, एक अट्रैक्टिव, एक इमेज जो है ऑथेंटिक होना
Authentic,
भी
very
बहुत जरूरी
important.
है। हो
Absolutely, being
सकता है कि
genuine.
या हो सकता है मैं किसी जगह पे चली जाऊं और मैं कहीं कुछ वेस्टर्न पहन लूं कि उसने ऐसा पहना है तो मैं भी पहन लूं, बट आई एम नॉट व्हाट आई एम। और
You're
Right.
not comfortable by the end of it.
एंड व्हेन यू आर
What's
नॉट
the point?
कॉन्फिडेंट, आप अच्छे से
Absolutely.
प्रोजेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाते आप क्या करने आए हो। तो इसमें
Absolutely.
प्लीज
Makes
ऐसा
a whole
कुछ
lot of
नहीं,
sense.
इमेज कंसल्टेंसी सिर्फ वेस्टर्न क्लोथ्स है या इंडियन नहीं है या क्लासिक,
नहीं
सब
नहीं,
कुछ है, इमेज इज
सब है।
एवरीथिंग।
Yes.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, that reminds me of Parul's last video, how to look glamorous in ethnic wear, and it was really awesome. She
Oh,
projected a whole lot of looks.
definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा था. As a matter of fact, I think Abhi, Bhavdeep, and Seema, both of you are wearing ethnic, and you're looking really good. I mean,
Very
I
nice.
can't.
Yeah.
You're looking so. You're
Of
sounding
course.
confident. You're looking confident.
Yeah.
It really doesn't matter whether you're wearing
Of course,
ethnic.
doesn't
Biल्कुल.
matter.
It doesn't.
Not at all.
Depends on how you wear. How you wear.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's about personal
Great.
style statement. And having said that, again, in continuation to what I asked Bhavdeep right now, I'd like to
Yeah.
continue this question over to Parul. Parul, what is the importance of body language and etiquettes? Because I think most of you here are also into etiquette grooming. And since Bhavdeep has been constantly saying it's all about holistic grooming, so etiquettes also have a whole lot of role to play. So how do you think? Is it
Yes.
important only for professionals? Is it important for everybody? What is the role they play in our image building?
Okay, so etiquette, see the ABC of image management is appearance, behavior, and communication. So it is again a total package. What when somebody looks at you, you enter a room, even when you're not communicating, even you've not said a word, but people will just perceive you the minute you enter a room through your clothes, your body language, etiquettes. Maybe you've been told to sit, but you just took a chair and sat. Okay, and you did not communicate with the person you had come to meet,
Right.
but people
Right.
will just form an impression right there and then that is he well behaved, does he know how to conduct himself, what is his body language. Maybe he's very well dressed, very very well dressed, but he's very sloppy. He doesn't know how to sit on the
Right.
chair. His shoulders are stooping down,
Slouching.
and he sits like this on the chair. When he comes, he doesn't know how to have a firm handshake. So the whole impression of you must be wearing a designer suit worth 25,000. Nobody cares.
Right.
Nobody's interested. In beauty pageants also, when you see these Miss Universe and all, also you must have seen a lot of times. Okay, the woman who wins the crown, they are pretty according to the standards of beauty, but sometimes we have seen women who are not totally according to the standards of beauty, are very pretty, but the way they communicated the last
Yes.
question, or way they conducted themselves, they walked the ramp, they and they were aware about the current affairs, their knowledge, their intelligence of conducting themselves. So it was a complete package. It was just not about how good you look, right? So etiquettes, and be it a student, be it a doctor, be it an army person, we all need, and especially I feel for the youth of our country, these life skills, the soft skills are very very important if you want to get into the corporate ladder of success. Maybe people who with the same experience and qualification, but if you are towering above the other person on these aspects, you will definitely get a better role. You will be promoted, you will be perceived in a different light. That when it comes to taking clients out for dinner, he knows about dining etiquettes, where to
Right.
keep the fork, what meal it is, where to leave the napkin when you just go to the washroom. Once you're done, how do you keep your fork and knife? So you're perceived every time by your seniors. So when you have somebody coming from abroad, so they'll say, this guy can take them out for a meal. So how has that happened? Maybe you were one lower in qualification, or experience was 2 years less, but you towered above the other person on these aspects, so you get that kind of limelight, or you get that kind of success and appreciation. That's what I
Absolutely.
truly believe.
Now, when you were speaking, I could actually feel that this is Sabira Merchant's student speaking here, because I recently completed one of her, courses, and she really
Okay.
emphasizes a lot on etiquettes, and I've seen that.
Right.
So
Oh, yes.
that's
Yes.
one thing. And secondly, again, Bhavdeep, I'll turn to you. I'm sure you must be aware of this. that even LinkedIn surveys and a whole lot of surveys actually portray that communication skills as such comes in at the number one position whenever a prospective employer, even a prospective employer, is looking for an employee. So just as we're all talking, it's all about image, it's all about communication, your etiquettes, your body language. So it's everything. Yeah.
Everything.
So that, yeah. So I think you pretty well answered this question correctly. And let's just move on to the next question. And this question is for Seema. Seema, how do you look at image consultancy as a career option in the post-COVID world? And what are the basic prerequisites of becoming an image consultant?
Thank you for that. And like in continuation to what Parul just mentioned, about body language, about etiquette. So I feel we are going through such a challenging phase currently, and where having the right soft skills becomes so much more important.
Exactly.
So this is the phase where one has to have a lot of empathy and being into emotional intelligence and positivity. So I feel so it is the need of the hour that people, they need to be emotionally intelligent. You have to be empathetic towards your people. You have to be good listening. The communication is not about talking, but even you have to be a good listener as well.
That's one of the most important conversational elements.
Yes. So taking it into consideration, I feel it is very much there. And further in the new normal that we are going through, and probably going way forward, we would be working on the virtual platform for some time. I mean, we are getting comfortable with the virtual platform today. So, and today we find it has got so many positive factors as well. So over here, when people are not able to meet, it becomes so much more important because the attention span is very less. So you have to conduct yourself, you have to present yourself, and you have to give across the message that you want to give through. So yes, it is very much there, and it is there to stay. So, and the prerequisite that we are talking about. So, fortunately over here, there's no academic qualification that one needs to have to pursue image consulting. And however, one has to go through a certification. You have to be a qualified image consultant because it is a science and an art. There is a process about how we take our clients through the entire process of discovering their needs, about finding out the pain areas, about telling them what is needed for them. So this is a beautiful journey that one has to go through, and what you need to bring on the table to be an image consultant, I feel first and foremost a passion
Absolutely.
to work, a passion to connect with people, a passion to do good and to see others evolving themselves.
Yes.
And then
I think it's a very gratifying experience when you see people transform.
The final transformation, I think, is the most rewarding thing out of the whole experience.
Most rewarding.
Yeah.
Most rewarding.
Yeah. So and to have empathy, to be a good listener, and to connect with people. So I feel if you have these elements, and obviously a style, an inclination towards fashion, about styling. So if you have all these together, I feel you can be a really good image consultant, having a lot of value to the society at large. And there is a great need for us to go out and reach out to those people who really need it.
And someone's phone is ringing.
Somebody's phone, yeah.
So,
and like one of my favorite quotes of Judith Rasband, who is our guru for all of us, and she says, the way you look, it affects the way you think, the way you feel, the way you behave, and the way others
how others respond to you.
Yes.
That's
very good.
Yes. Bhavdeep, you were all, I mean, before we started off with the session, you were talking about some certification. Would you kindly tell the audiences about it?
Yes, so we all are certified from ICBI. We have done our certification in image. So I had an opportunity to go to US and with this master image consultant, Judith Rasman, and who is the curriculum partner too. And believe me, friends, it was a wonderful, wonderful journey, getting trained from the master herself, and she has a collection, the previous course, Honestly, she has, all the wardrobe and, the different, she tells and she teaches how to make clusters and, that she just revises all the things by her own. So that experience is just awesome. And she, again, teaches all the concept and revises them and gives some, assignments to work on. So it's a wonderful experience,
Yeah.
to get trained by Judith herself. And she's a
So,
wonderful, just
is that a certification that you need to go there and get it, or you can get it here as well?
no. It's like we
No,
have
you
to
have
go
to go.
there. And that's she has a consul, at Utah, US. So image consul of US. So that's her office, and she has this whole, that's a whole office, and it's like all you can go experiment, learn, and she teaches everything herself, and new concept, styling, wardrobe, everything. So we
Okay.
have to go to US for this certification, yes, and I
Okay, and
went
the
there.
first one that you were talking about, that one is for India. What was that?
That's
Yes,
Can you
yes,
please
Yeah.
that's
repeat
for
that for the
India.
audience?
Like I got trained from ICBI Chandigarh, and
And it has branches all over the country. I think
Yeah.
everyone,
Yes, yes,
everyone
pan
I did
from
from
India.
ICBI
from
Bombay.
there.
yeah.
so
Mumbai.
in
There are
Punjab we
branches
have
all
with
over India.
Chandigarh only. So I
So that's a
got trained.
common factor between among the four of you.
Yes, it's
Yeah. Though we are
amazing.
Yes.
from different
And
centers. We are from
Right.
different centers. Right from south till north, we have our institutes, and
Okay.
then we have
Okay.
our image management professionals associations like IMPA, like
yeah,
the
yeah.
doctors IMA and the chartered. We connect through that also chapters, Delhi chapter, Gurgaon chapter, Hyderabad chapter, आपका Chandigarh chapter, सब है.
The
It's like
curriculum,
nice.
the curriculum
Curriculum
is,
is same,
we all have read
same,
the same things, we all have done the same things, and then
everything.
we empower ourselves with different courses. Like I did from Judith, I went there and learned something
Huh.
new, so that's
Yeah.
something else. But
Like she did, Parul did from Sabina Merchant.
Samira,
Yeah.
yes.
I have
Yeah,
also
Sabina.
learned from
Wow.
Sabira. I
But
also done a course with her as
wow,
well. So
wow.
I've also done all of
Okay.
these short
That
courses.
motivates me also.
Right.
I'll see if
Yeah,
I can do
Right.
and
that. Yeah.
and like I would like to add over here that now we are also having online certifications as well. So people
Hmm.
can
Okay,
do
that's great.
online. Yes, so you can get in touch with Image Consulting Business Institute,
Yeah.
and they have their online sessions. So which
Yeah.
some of them I would also be taking now. So yes, so
Okay.
you
So I
can
think
have
our
it.
audiences must have got pretty much information about how they can go ahead and become this image consultant if they want to, if they have the passion for the same. And having said that, Madiha, how do you identify and work on a person's personal style statement
Yes.
when he or she comes to you for advice?
Yeah. That's again a very interesting one. So little detailed. We've already spoken about it. But actually, what is personal style? So बोलते हैं personal style क्या है क्या? So it is our characteristics and traits. Our It's personal style. So our characteristics and traits that involves a lot of upbringing, of family culture, family values, everything. So it is in three. Yeah, like I have done it into three. Like first is physical, then it is psychological, and then clothing. So physical is
Right.
all which is seen. It is related to your body shape, your body whatever. And then psychological is your traits again, your likes, your dislikes, what is authentic inside you. Okay? And then clothing, of course, through your clothing, how can you show your personal style? So when a client comes to us, we evaluate the personal style of a person through lots of questions, and through the we have a lifestyle evaluation, we have a clothing like evaluation. So we take them across a yin and a yang continuum. That is the Chinese ancient energies. If we talk about, you must have seen
Yeah,
that
the
figure
male
of
and female
yin
energy,
and
I think.
black and white.
Hmm.
So we
Yeah.
take them through that. So we have to strike a balance between both these strong and soft energies, क्योंकि ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग भी अच्छी नहीं होती और ज्यादा सॉफ्ट भी अच्छी नहीं होती. So it has to be, so we evaluate a person and then we come to a conclusion that, oh, like this is your personal style. And then
Right.
either we are wearing a certain piece of clothing and we have styled ourselves according to that. The dog is barking. So we
Yes,
cannot be
someone's dog
comfortable.
is barking.
हाँ,
Yeah.
कोई नहीं.
Yeah.
So we, then we
Abhi is fine.
become uncomfortable with that certain thing. Because why? Because it is not a personal style. जैसे कि कोई ब्राइड है जा रही है, उसको आपने एक चंकी बूट्स पहना दिए लहंगे के साथ, तो इट्स अ क्लैश. कोई बहुत डेलिकेट सी लाइक कतरीना कैफ टाइप की है, उसका पर्सनल स्टाइल डेलिकेट है, तो उसको हमने कुछ लेदर की हेवी पैडेड जैकेट पहना दी, तो इट विल बी इट विल contradiction.
Mismatch of the personality.
With a big bigotry, so
Yes.
एकदम ही.
So there are various personal styles जो हमने पढ़े बहुत डिटेल में वो होते हैं. तो in one of that personal styles, each of us is there. मतलब we stand in one of the personal styles. Like एकदम आपने देखा होगा शहनाज हुसैन कैसी है. शहनाज हुसैन उनका एक पर्सनल स्टाइल है. अब अगर पारुल उसको कॉपी करेंगे तो कैसी लगेंगी?
Right.
पारुल को कितनी बढ़िया लग रही है.
I think Parul is not able to hear.
No, I
Parul,
can.
hear us?
Yeah.
Is muted. So Katrina Kaif copies Usha Utto.
Yeah.
Right.
Weird, right? अच्छा. तो बहुत सारा होता है. तो इसमें हम लोग इस तरह से करते हैं कि प्रॉब्लम्स जो हैं आपके वो कंट्राडिक्ट ना करें आपस में. And we bring the client to such a stage where again roles and goals के हिसाब से and आपके traits, personality traits, आपके values, आपके characteristics do you reflect करें.
Personality trait.
Personal style. Then again going further, as somebody mentioned that we have style scales, levels of dressing.
Yes.
So again, according to the roles and goals, those levels have to be followed. So level 1 से शुरू होता है, which is absolutely casual and relaxed, and then we go to the top level, which is a high level, which speaks of authority, credibility, formality, preciseness. जैसे bosses बहुत कम बोलते हैं, अपनी ड्रेस से कन्वे करते हैं. जैसे कि इसमें बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स होते हैं बंधन कि आपकी ड्रेस में सब पावर होता है. योर ड्रेस वेरी पावरफुल. तो आपकी ऐसी ड्रेस होनी चाहिए कि अगला देखकर आपका रोल एंड रोल पहचान पाए. ठीक है. तो जैसे इतने सारे लोगों के साथ एग्जांपल जब एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं, then we get into a very embarrassing position. Like once what happened, I was with the principal, as I told you, I've been into the education industry. I was with the principal, and some very high flying guests had to come visit the school, and I was perceived as the principal.
This has happened with me as well.
Because of the clothing, they thought,
True, it happened.
In a very, very awkward situation. It was very embarrassing.
And then I actually had to tell them, "No, I am not the principal. I am just the in charge. She is the principal." I know.
More embarrassing for the principal then.
Absolutely.
सबसे पहले your outside speaks. तो जैसे कि वो मेहराबे स्टोरी गर्ल्स, अब हमारी मेहराबे स्टोरी है कि सर एल्बर्ट मेहराबे मैसेच्यूसेट्स के MIT के मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हैं बाय क्वालिफिकेशन एंड प्रोफेशन, बाय पैशन वो एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं. तो वो थ्योरी लेकर आए थे जो हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं. 55% ऑफ योर एंटायर पर्सोना इज अबाउट विजुअल अपीयरेंस. जो दिखता है उसी से लोग आपको परसीव करते हैं.
There is a saying also, no, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है.
वही दिखता है, right?
True.
Yeah.
आजकल तो बिल्कुल वही है.
Coming to the first question, first impressions are created through that 55%, and then the next 38% is your non-verbal communication, your etiquette, your body language. तो पूरा मिलाकर 93% आप बिना बोले, बिना आपका इंटेलिजेंस जानने सब आपको जान जाते हैं. And then only the 7 remaining is your actual self. How you speak, what is your qualification, what is your designation. क्योंकि जब आप 93 से इम्प्रेस करोगे तभी वो आपसे पूछेगा भाई हाँ क्या करते हो, कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़े हो, या कौन से स्कूलिंग में, कौन से स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल हो आप, या आप बंधन आप वो चलाते हो, वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ का फाउंडर हो. वो बाद में आएगा. पहले आपका अपीयरेंस शुड स्ट्राइक. and then your etiquette and body language without speaking, and then
Non-verbal
finally
communication.
है ना?
Very
So
strong.
that's our personal style. बहुत
So पहले
elaborate है.
दर्शन धारी, पहले
Yeah.
लोग आपका दर्शन करते हैं, then बाद में गुड़ आते हैं.
Yeah.
Right.
And they form an
absolutely.
impression right there and then कि इसको लेना है कि नहीं. I think to some extent it happens in
Yeah.
interviews, especially.
Yeah, it does.
They just make a decision right there and then. अच्छा इसको, you know, they won't. Their body language, you'll come to know whether you impress them or not.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so it's
You will see that in their
impressed.
conduct.
या
You
तो
know,
end में आएगा और या extrapolate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they'll just ask you 2 questions and they'll say, "अच्छा, चलो आप जाओ." हो गया,
या तो
done.
ignore या
Yeah, I
yes.
think, yeah. Seema, I think you or Bhavdeep, you were trying to say something.
मैं तो ये कह रही थी कि दिखना है ना, वो चाहिए. अभी मैं बोलूं मैं ये करती हूँ, मैं वो करती हूँ, मैं ये करती हूँ, लेकिन when you see my digital presence, you know, when you see Kohli finishing or you see that Kohli star image and आप वहां पर देखो यार, ये है, इतनी ट्रेनिंग्स कर ली, 140 ट्रेनिंग्स है, बट कहाँ है वो? दिख नहीं रहा. तो वो
Yes.
दिखना चाहिए, दिखना भी बहुत जरूरी है. You know,
उसका एक तरीका और उसका तरीका दिखना और उसका एक तरीका, तो वो आपके अंदर भी होना चाहिए, आपके डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट में होना चाहिए. आप कैसे पोस्ट बना रहे हो, कैसा आपका सब
अब
है.
ये एक चीज जो हम एक मिस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे हम कि डिजिटल प्रेजेंस भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इमेज में. हमारे व्हाट्सएप के डीपी, हमारे अगर हम अभी हम बार बार प्रिंसिपल का हमने एक एग्जांपल लिया, इट वाज जस्ट वन पार्ट में, क्योंकि वी ऑल आर एजुकेटर्स. तो हमारा जो डीपी है फेसबुक पे या हमारा व्हाट्सएप पे या हमारा लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, वो भी स्पीक्स इट ऑल.
Oh,
Yeah,
definitely.
absolutely. Yes,
Like,
that's a
we
very
all-
valid point.
You know, we all image consultant use this line. You cannot not communicate.
None.
हम सब कुछ कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. सो अगर हम ना भी बोलो तब भी सब कुछ बोल देते हैं. तो आपकी वो प्रेजेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. डिजिटल आजकल एवरीबडी लाइक वी ऑल मेक
Right.
डिजिटली, यू नो. तो आपको देख के अच्छा ये है, अच्छा ये है, तो वो बहुत.
And then you brand it into a category, I think.
Yes,
You
absolutely.
brand it into a category. She looks glamorous, or she looks very, you know, maybe she's only for corporate. Yeah,
very
stern.
corporate.
Today-
That's how they.
Very
And
friendly.
today, let's see, you know, before we met on this platform, I think we already had met on the digital platform,
Exactly.
isn't it? So
We have
today,
created impressions.
anyone, people would, you know, at least look at you. So a good idea is, why not just type your name and Google yourself and see what you get.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a good way to kind of analyze where we stand.
And now companies, you know, before hiring any top notch or anybody, you first Google out and see, like,
Yeah.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, as a youth skill mentor, Bhavdeep, I have been telling my students कि resume जब लिखते हैं, आजकल latest add-on ये है that you put in your LinkedIn URL there.
Oh, yes.
सबसे पहले वहाँ जाएंगे.
They
वो
want to
देखेंगे.
see exactly.
Even
अरे
in
आजकल अगर लड़का
लोग
देखते हैं,
Facebook पोस्ट भी करते हैं आपका कि, you know,
Okay,
आपने
okay,
क्या
let's come
किया
to
है.
it one by one. Yes, Seema. And then Bhavdeep
Yeah, so-
and then Madhuha.
Sure.
Yeah.
So, like, thank you. So, even like, you know, what you are putting up on your FB, on Instagram, everything counts. So,
Yeah,
whatever you wouldn't be doing in public, or you wouldn't want people to know,
To know,
so
that should
just
be out there.
You have not put that up on the
I
social
think
media,
it's an
because this is
altogether
an era
different
of social media.
it's an altogether different and new dimension that has been added to image management in this COVID era, I think.
Right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
all the more.
Yeah.
All
So
the more
Bhavdeep, you
important.
were saying, Bhavdeep, you were trying to make a point.
Thank you.
just this that, you know, this digital presence is also very very important in image. जहाँ पर हम कपड़ों की बात कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे हमारे WhatsApp की DP भी बहुत कुछ कह जाते हैं. So be very mindful of your, you know, those your pictures, your profile pictures, and what you want to project. So they will also talk about it. आपकी
And Bhavdeep,
एक
I'm going to be the first one to be checking out my DP. मुझे आज अपनी DP check करनी है. मैंने क्या डाला हुआ है? I need to check that.
you know, जैसे मुझे कोई, दिस इज माय पर्सनल, मुझे लगता है मेरे सब फेलो इमेज कंसल्टेंट्स भी ऐसे करते हैं, क्योंकि अब हम लोग वो इमेज में रहते हैं. तो जब भी आप चेक करो, यू नो, तो आपका स्टेटस, इवन स्टेटस टॉक्स अबाउट यू, माय फ्रेंड्स. दैट्स आल्सो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, यू नो.
Absolutely.
कि आप क्या यू नो लिख रहे हो, आपके स्टेटस में क्या है, आप किस तरीके की पोस्ट शेयर करते हो, दीज ऑल आर नॉन वर्बल. You know, ये बोलते नहीं है, but they communicate. So that's why you cannot not communicate. Even a picture speaks without words.
Very true.
Absolutely.
Very true.
Communicating
Yeah,
24 by
Madhiha,
7.
you wanted to
True.
make another point.
बस यही मैं बोल रही
Madhiha,
थी
what you
कि
were saying.
at every social media platform, you need to project yourself as you want to generate business or as you want to be social, I mean, popular socially, whether you are a student or you are a mom, a homemaker, or you are a professional or you are a stylist, उसी तरह से आपका होना चाहिए. जैसे LinkedIn पर आपका absolutely, that's a professional platform.
Right,
And
right.
we call it a social.
Yes.
So that वहाँ की DP तो आपकी बिल्कुल different होनी चाहिए.
Absolutely.
Or Facebook पर seeing your age, your experience, again your roles and goals, your social network, entire real social network, उसके according आपको अपनी DP डालनी चाहिए. This also is also huge etiquette. How you present yourself socially.
Yes.
क्योंकि अभी पैंडेमिक की बात करें कितने हम लोग स्प्रेड हो गए हैं, डबल हो गया है, नेटवर्किंग बढ़ गई है, तो
Right.
आपको
I mean, just
बढ़ाना
see, आज का ही अगर session देख लो, you are from Meerut, I think Seema is from Mumbai,
Imagine.
Bhavdeep is from Moga, and Parul, you are from Gurugram.
Gurgaon, yeah.
Yes.
So
How
just
nice
see,
that you're
again,
from
I'm from
Delhi.
West Delhi.
क्या बात है, हाँ, तो बहुत अच्छा है. तो इसलिए अपील ये हम लोग को करनी चाहिए कि everybody should approach image consultants for a better you. All are very good, but how about becoming better?
Yes.
From good to better.
Evolving yourself. You know.
Yes.
So
That's
my
what.
So
Yeah.
my
So
mantra
Parul,
is
you-
that
yeah,
no matter how good you are, you can always get better.
absolutely. There's
Absolutely.
always room for improvement, right?
Yes.
Yes, Parul.
There
Is there
is
anything you would like to say, or can we move on to our
My
next
mantra,
question?
yeah, I always said fall in love with yourself more. You know, just it
Yeah.
helps you to fall in love. We all are harping this fact, right?
Yeah.
Self love and all. It starts there. I think it really starts there.
Right.
If you pay attention to all this, and I can assure that your confidence in the way you look at yourself and the way you will conduct yourself, your productivity, and the way you will treat others, and others will treat you, it's like a cycle.
Everything
And
changes.
then it
Yeah.
remains,
And I
and you
think
will
even
have a
all the
different
life
high.
coaches, yeah, even the life coaches, they keep talking about affirmations. Get up in the morning, tell yourself, I love myself, I'm very confident.
Absolutely.
These are things which come there as
हम लोग
well.
बहुत करते हैं.
So everyone is
Affirmation.
talking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if
So,
you go to any
so image consulting
social
is also
platform,
about accepting yourself as well, isn't it? It is self-love.
Yes.
So,
absolutely.
so like,
Acceptance, self-love.
yeah. So it is like it starts with you yourself first.
Yeah.
So first accept
Parul.
yourself the way you are, and then only we can work on it.
Perfect.
Yes.
Yes.
The last point I want to
Yes.
make is that, the society we live in, whatever you say, you see, look at these social media platforms, it's all about fashion. People want to look good. People are spending money on your slimming institutes, diets, your ketos, you're spending money on designer clothes, they're going for skin treatments. So ultimately, everybody wants to do that because they want to look good and they want that appreciation from others, right? That's
Yes,
the ultimate.
Yes.
And I feel before appreciation from others, if you do that, your confidence level and the way you perceive yourself, it just grows many folds. And the kind of reactions you get from people will always be positive then. And you will be on a positive high all the time.
True.
Yeah. So
True.
as a ceremonial conclusion to this entire topic goes my last question to Bhavdeep. Bhavdeep, it is again often said that your attitude defines your altitude in life. How can an image consultant help in this particular scenario? I think this is going to be summing up the entire session for the day.
All right. So nothing can be truer than this statement because I have done a lot of sessions. You know, this was my tagline that it's your attitude that determines your altitude. You know, so I, somewhere relate with it because it was my attitude that yes, in Punjab I have to set an image school, a grooming institute, and it was my that attitude. You know how you your belief system. You know how you are conditioned. So definitely, like I always used to give the example of lion. You know, lion has an attitude. Lion is the king of the jungle. Yet a lion is not the strongest. Lion is not the cleverest. Lion is not the largest. Lion is not the biggest of the animal. Yet why lion is king is because of the attitude. You know, go getter. It's like whenever he sees
Wow.
an animal, it's like my food, my food, my food, my food. So it's your attitude, my friends, which is very, very important. So
Very true.
whatsoever anybody talks about you, that you are moti, you are choti, you are this, you are that,
Yeah, true,
and
true.
you can't do it, and prove to you. I think it's like prove to yourself that yes, you can, because we live in that world where that stereotypical image is there, and ये नहीं कर
Yeah.
सकती, तुम यही कर सकती हो, तुम छोटे शहर की हो, तुम इसी के लिए बनी हो. तो this is a chance,
Hmm.
Right.
you have to
Hmm.
develop that and change the mindset. और सबसे important है belief system, because it is your belief system, whatever you believe वो हो जाता है. So I think
Right.
जो skills हैं, आपका attitude ही सब कुछ है. Attitude is
Yes.
what determines. And I think positive attitude is not कि positive सोचो, लेकिन positive attitude ये भी है कि find something good in a negative situation also, and that's also
Right.
positive.
Right.
We are
And
all
if we
here.
do that, then even challenges turn into a blessings.
Yes.
Yes.
So try to find out something good in a negative situation, and that's also positivity, right? This Corona pandemic has proved a great.
Absolutely. That's the best example, I feel. Best
Yes,
example.
Bilkul.
we all are connected, and
I'm right.
so it's just because of this Corona. अभी Corona, no doubt, it's a big pandemic और बहुत बहुत ही नुकसान हुआ और बहुत ज़्यादा conditions बुरी रही. और बट फिर भी उसमें से ये पॉजिटिव रहा कि हम सब ने एक नया मोड ऑफ एजुकेशन सीखा, मोड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग सीखा, और इतनी न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज हम सब के लिए आई. सो
बिल्कुल.
आई थिंक एटीट्यूड वेरी वेरी
Attitude
इंपॉर्टेंट.
matters.
आपकी हाइट जो है वो आपके एटीट्यूड पे ही डिटरमिन है. डेफिनेटली
Very true. Very true.
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Great. Bilkul.
So very well said, Bhavdeep. And this brings us to the end of our show. But before we leave, I would like to extend a very heartfelt gratitude to all our esteemed luminaries here, to all our celebrity guests here.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much for so much of your time. Thank you so much for sharing such valuable insights. I'm sure it's been more of a self-revelation journey for all of us. I think me, the audience, it's been a self-revelation journey, and we've learned so much from all of you. Thank you so much once again for being here. And
Thank you,
Pleasure.
thank you, Bandanpree,
Pleasure.
for the lovely
Thank
opportunity.
you, Bandhan.
Lovely.
Yeah. Thanks for
Thank
Thank you so
inviting us.
much.
And thank
Our
you,
Absolutely.
pleasure.
yeah, to all my friends also, to Parul, Madhya, and Seema for connecting. And it's again, learning for me too, because it's like when we
Bilkul.
all, it's like the birds of the same kind, so we have flocked
Yeah.
together today.
Oh
True,
yeah,
true,
we
true.
are flocking together. We are flocking together.
So like we are so passionate
I
about
brushed
it.
up my concepts,
And
huh?
So
Yeah.
yes,
And
good.
Yeah, I think
thing.
I can request you to give your concluding comments and whatever you would like to say to your co-participants and your friends. I would request Madiha, please. What? How would you like to end the session?
Oh
Would you
wow,
like to
thank
say
you, thank you. आप तो
something?
खुद ही होस्ट हैं, आप अच्छा एंड करते हो, लेकिन मुझको बस यही बोलना है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस दिस नाइस अपॉर्चुनिटी where we could come and explain to people and bust some of the myths and of course add some little value to their lives.
No, yeah, a
All
lot
of
of
us.
value.
Thank you. And we must always, when anything negative happens in our life, when our relationships are not working, when we are not getting a promotion or when we are not happy, so instead of blaming our people and the situations around us, we must look into ourselves and see what's wrong here within our own selves. And
Right.
contemplate, reflect on that, and then you will definitely start believing that yes, there is a problem within, because that is in the circle of control. Others' behavior is not in the circle of our control. So we should, just be humble and just take the blame on our own selves and work on it, and then proceed further. That's
Beautifully
all.
worded. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Parul,
My pleasure.
your final words on the show.
Yeah, thank you so much for this lovely opportunity. I've learned so much. It was very exciting to be on this platform today, and I've learned, as I said, it's a refresher course for me also. Such lovely tips and some lovely inputs I've gained. And I always would like to say, life is beautiful. Just be happy, positive, and nothing can stop you. And nothing, just go for it. Whatever your heart says, and go with your gut. That's what I've always done. Go with your gut. You feel everything will work for you. And wish
yeah.
you lots of success with Walks of Life, Bandhan. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you very
so much.
much.
Bhavdeep, I would like to thank you also once again, because I know it's your brother's birthday and you are with your family, and still you took out time and you devoted it almost around 2 hours with us. So thank you
Yes.
so much.
Very
Yes,
nice.
thank you so much, Mandan, and I just wish Walks of Life a great success. And I would just like to add one line by Coco Chanel is that beauty begins when you just become your own self. So just believe in your own self, and that's the beauty.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
just believe in yourself, and sky is the limit. That's the concluding one from my side.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah. And your concluding comments, Seema.
Yes. So first of all, gratitude to each and everyone present over here and to our viewers for taking out the time and being here. So as I always say that, always look at the solutions. So when I'm talking about like positive, negative, we have got so much to deal with. So they are the two sides of the same coin. It is, where we concentrate on. And again, with my parting thoughts are the same, that no matter how good you get, you can always get better. So keep on working on yourself and evolve. So
Mm.
see your beautiful self evolving. So thank you,
Yeah.
everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you
Thanks a
so
lot.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very
So
much.
that brings us to the end of our show. Okay.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Take
Thank you.
care.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.